everybody. I was recording a podcast this morning with my good friend Jody Bach, and our conversations started going into the tension of the world and the chaos and uncertainty, all these words that have been used over and over, and sometimes I roll my eyes at, and only because it's the reality of the situation, and that is how the world is feeling. And so we started talking about the show Pimple. Have you seen it? It's disgusting. Quite satisfying and disgusting all at the same time. So it's these things that grow on people, and they get to be like a whole head on a shoulder of a fatty cyst, and they go into this pimple popper lady, and she excises it. She cuts it out. She whatever lets it ooze. She severs it. She whatever she needs to do to get that foreign object off the human body. And so we were talking about how this time is like that, like when there's pressure, and like think of an orange. When you put pressure on that rind, orange juice is going to come out, right? So with us, when you put pressure on us, whatever comes out is inside of us. If it's anger that comes out, if it's sadness that comes out under more stress, if it's depression that comes out, if it's anxiety that comes out, if it's immune struggles that come out, in this time, because stress is so high in so many areas, as things are evolving and changing, those are the best words for it. That is when people are feeling the stress and blaming it on this outside force. If we take that power back a little bit, bring it back into us, and think about what is going on in us, or maybe it's our relationship, or our financial health, or our career path, or our relationship with our family. Whatever's going on, stress or pressure is going to make that squeeze out. The stress didn't cause it. It was already there. How can we take back our responsibility, our power, so that we can decide, we choose to decide what we will control and what is ours to control? Because the only thing we control is this. And the radio might not be what you want to hear. The TV might not be what you want to hear. Goodness, there is a lot of stuff going on in addition to the world energy shifting over the last 3 months. So how can we stay informed, but out of the energy or the drama or the angst that it creates? How can you just be responsible for you? How can you act in love? How can you take care of your body the best? How can you take care of your brain the best? How can you really prepare your brain and body for what needs to come ahead, your day, and not everything that's surrounding you? Because the stress out here is what's squeezing you, and whatever is coming out when that squeeze happens is what was already going on. It's what was already in you. Take back your power. Know that your brain, your body, your life can be whole. It doesn't need to, or it's not broken, but it takes responsibility, and it takes choices from you to decide, where do you want to go? This is the time. This is the, oh my gosh, this is the time. There is so much opportunity. There is so much possibility. There's so much control alt deletes that can happen right now to say, you know what, I'm done with this. I'm done with this person, this situation, this house, this area, this whatever. I'm going to jump, and I'm going to leap, because that's what my heart wants. That's what my health needs. That's what my family is longing for. So pay attention to what you are and who you are and what's in that. And know that when the squeeze happens, more of what's in there is going to come out. And how about we have it be joy and compassion and love and healing and truth and honesty, because we need more. We need more of that. We need more of standing for something strong enough, standing for yourself and your relationships, so that the world can start to evolve in that way. So Love you all.